Hello all, this is AK360 again after a long time. So today I'm gonna upgrade the stock lab bulb to an X-treme Vision Plus, which is a Philips H4, and you will need few tools that you need to upgrade. You need an Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, and you need to know which screws that you need to unscrew on the headlight of your bike. And before that, we will head on to the test, how it looks before changing the light. Here you go. Let's begin the installation. So that's the Philips H4, which I'm gonna upgrade it, which you might have already seen on the picture. I'll leave the details on the link where you can buy in the description below. And I also bought this new set of Allen keys. So you will need a 6mm Allen key to remove the 4 screws, which will be along the sides of the head where I'm pointing there, 2 on the left and the 2 on the right. So make sure you remove it slowly or else you might break it. So once you have all the 4 screws removed, so make sure you pop the head properly, because there will be the cables connected to it. So just make sure you place it carefully on the number plate holder, where it will have 2 rods below that. And that's the bulb holder, which is a rubber cushion, which will be holding the bulb holder, which is placed inside that, which you will be seeing in a minute. That's the one. Once you pull over the cushion, you need to just remove the lock below the screw, so you'll be able to pull out the bulb holder. So be careful before removing it, so you might damage to the sides. You repeat the same thing and be careful while you push back in, or you might break the new bulb. So that's the old one, guys, which comes with which is the company provided, which is a Phoenix model, so which doesn't illuminate much on the road. I've been having difficulties. There you go, that's the model. Let's start removing the bulb. So you need to just push with your thumb. Make sure you're holding the black holder, not the wire, to pull off the bulb, or else you might damage the holder and you need to end up hitting the showroom or the mechanic. The Phoenix is a little bulgier, and the Phoenix is a little slimmer, and it looks nice. Let's see how it works. So you slide in the same way as you took it. Just make sure it goes here and slide it, and you'll get a lock sound, click, and then you slide it again back in. Make sure to pull this aside, and there will be a place where you can make it sit. You're seeing this? I'm not sure you're seeing this. Give me 1 second. You're seeing this, a lock on top of it. Make sure you make it sit exactly the place where it is supposed to sit. That's it. Done. Once you're done, you'll be able to lock it. That's done, guys. Lock it. Now push back the bush into it. Make sure you hold the light properly, or else it might fall on you. But that's it. everything is done. The bulb is in place. Now it's time to fit the headlight. So make sure you put back the same screws to the same holes, so you might not have difficulty tightening it up. So let's begin. Headlight is back in place, all the screws are fit. Let's turn on the ignition to see if the light actually works. Hope so. Brilliant. It really works. Good. I didn't spend the money on something which is a waste product. Okay, so the light illuminates, looks okay, but I can't assure anything in the bright light, so I might have to test it over the night at the same place. I'm going to perform the same tests and get back with the results. So I went back to the same area to see if it did make any difference by buying this new Philips. But it's not a 130% increase, but it's a kind of 20% increase, I would say. It's almost the same. You might not feel much difference, but when you start driving on the road, you might see a slight illumination is good compared to the old one. So if you want to buy it, but don't expect too much of high beam out of it. It is just a company upgrade, that's it. Just 10%, 20% higher illumination than the company than the stock ones. So better hold with the old ones. If you want, you can try upgrading to the HID or the LED lights. That would make some difference, but not with the Philips H4 from the NS200 stock. Thanks for watching the video. Leave your comments below if you have any doubts. I'll come back soon or reply back in 24 or 48 hours. See you. Bye bye. See you in more videos ahead in future.